Hey y'all, thanks for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Diamond Mine and welcome. So today I will be doing a install video on this headband wig from YG. Now if you're not familiar with headband wigs, here is just a quick clip of what to expect with a headband wig. So basically it's like a half wig from like back in the day but revamped and it's human hair. So you basically get a wig cap with a headband attached and you can secure the wig and simply connect the straps. Now one strap comes with Velcro and the other strap comes with like the sticky part that you would attach to the Velcro to get a tight snug fit. Now this wig fits perfectly on my head. I have gotten half wigs in the past where it was just way too tight or way too small for my head, I should say. So as you can see, I did do a little bit of swoopage, to the baby hairs just to give it a little bit more of a natural look. And I have a super big forehead, so I had to do something. So this is the beautiful curl texture. I'm liking the curl texture, but this hair is super dark. I haven't went jet black in a long time, but it's super cute. It was easy to create this look. I definitely can put it on and go, and that is the number one purpose of this type of wig, also known as the headband wig. So this is one style that you can wear your hair in. Now I did add a headband to this wig because I didn't want it to look so boring with just the black headband. You can wear the black headband, but I just feel like it looks a lot better with adding a headband. And I did also secure this wig down by using the combs that came on the side of this wig just to get a more snug fit. And every headband wig that I have gotten, I always try my best to do a ponytail style because that is such a quick, cute style that I just feel like everyone would rock, with a headband wig. But I have been unsuccessful for the most part of finding that perfect wig that will do right in a ponytail. And so here I have changed out my headband, as you can see. I went with a more longer, fuller headband because I am going to try to put this hair in a ponytail, and I want the headband to cover the back of this wig so that it doesn't look like, I'm wearing the wig. So right now this wig is going pretty good into a ponytail. The hair is not bunching up, or the structure of the wig is not bunching up, and that is one of the number one problem that I have with these headband wigs is when I put my hair in a ponytail, it comes completely off because the structure of the wig is changing and it's being bunched up because I added a ponytail to the hair. So I love that I was able to achieve a ponytail with this wig and it did not fall off. Like, that is crazy. This is the only wig that does this, that I've tried at least. And see, this is why I said I went with a wider headband so that I could cover up that adjustable strap in the back. Look how beautiful this ponytail is, y'all. I love this look and I love the texture of this wig. Now as you can see, it gets really, really frizzy as I run my fingers through the hair. I just really like this look. I am so happy that I finally found a headband wig that I can achieve a ponytail with. And then of course you can go ahead and transition that ponytail right on into a bun, honey. And one thing I do need to say is when I did wear a bun on this wig, which was the whole day by the way, this hair did not feel heavy at all, and the wig stayed in place the entire day, which is really difficult to do because sometimes the bun can be really heavy on your hair, so it ends up again falling off because the structure of the wig is bunched up where the ponytail or the bun is. But this wig did really, really good. I am so surprised but so happy I finally get to rock a look like this. So moving on to wetting the hair. And of course, before I wet my hair, I am going to section off my hair into two, and then I am going to be using a spray bottle that only has water in it to detangle my hair. Now, I did saturate this hair pretty well before I started the detangling process. Now, to detangle my hair, I am just going to be using a paddle brush, and this hair detangles pretty well, but it does require a little bit more water just to make sure you don't get any snags or extra shedding. But once you get through this part of the detangling, which is easy by the way, you are set to go, honey. So I am using my favorite holy grail product, which is hair mousse. I love to use this product on all of my curly hair, as you guys know, because I use it in all of my videos where I'm wearing curly wigs. But like, oh God, this product gives curly hair so much definition, and it makes your curls like last all day long. So I am taking a dimming brush to define my curls, and like, look how beautiful these curls is, y'all. Like, when the hair dries, oh my God, ugh, it is so pretty. So this is what the hair looks like when I have completely wet both sections of the hair, and the hair is about 80% dry right now, but the curls are super duper defined, and I will definitely be rocking this wig for the next couple of months for the simple fact that it is a perfect wig for ponytails and the curl pattern is super bomb. This is definitely a winner, y'all. So everything about this wig will be below in the description bar. Again, thanks to YGwigs for sponsoring today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.